Mad Scientist, and welcome once again to the Mad Science Lab. We are so glad you're here. Now, today we're talking about something really cool. We're talking about the human body. Very special part of the human body. The human body is a wonder. Has over 3 billion cells. That's a lot. and each cell, each individual cell has a very specific job. Well, some of our cells can help us see. Others can help us touch things or hear things. Some cells even give us our devilishly good, dashing sense of humor. Still, other cells allow our bodies to jump and run or throw a ball. But how do the cells know which job to do? How do the cells know how to do their job once they figure out what they're supposed to do? Well, the answer is very simple. As we all know, it's through deoxyribonucleic acid. That's a big word. Take a look at that. Well, okay. You probably know of it as DNA. It's sort of like the body's blueprint or the instruction book. But what is DNA?
What?
I'm so glad you asked. That's what we're going to talk about today. Deoxyribonucleic acid. Ooh, I love that word. Put it up there again. Deoxyribonucleic acid. Sounds really impressive when you can say it out, right?